Hello everyone, welcome to UCC News App. In this video, we'll be checking how you can check whether you've been given admission to the University of Natural Resources, UNER. So first of all, we'll go straight to our browser and search UNER admission list. When the page loads, the first link that you see containing the admission list from UNER is the link you are supposed to click on. You give it a little more time to load. When the page loads, you see we have a lot of students listed here and you can choose from this page, but since we want to be specific, you can search with your index number or name. In this video, you'll be searching with the name of a student instead of searching with an index number, which will just pop up your own details alone. If you are not interested in searching with your index number, we will do this first. Searching with the name, you need the last name first. So if you have to take like Ruth and Nkrumah is supposed to come first before Ruth, just like you fill the form. So with Jessica, if I'm to search Jessica right now, I'm not going to get any. But if I'm to search for the same name, now here we have Jessica, enrolled as a regular student to study Bachelor of Science, Biological Sciences. It might be different in your case, but you search with the same name first, then you click on view. Now we know that we've been given admission just from the admission list, so it's up to you to print your admission letter. This will bring you back to your portal where you can log in with your credentials. Again, after logging in, you see you have download admission letter right in your portal with this congratulatory message. This brings us to the end of this video. If this video is helpful to you, kindly subscribe to the channel and put all your inquiry in the comment section. Thank you for watching.